Working out at home can be a great way to stay fit, but not everyone has space for a big treadmill. That's why folding treadmills are becoming more popular. They save space and still give you a solid workout. Whether you live in an apartment or just want to keep your room clutter-free, these treadmills are easy to fold and store when not in use. I have listed the best folding treadmills that are compact, reliable, and perfect for small spaces. Each one offers something a little different, from quiet motors to smart features. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Gizmos Treadmill. This folding treadmill is the perfect option for those looking for a powerful, yet compact treadmill for small spaces. Designed with a 3.5 HP brushless motor, it runs quietly at just 45 decibel, quieter than a normal conversation, making it ideal for apartments or shared homes. With a top speed of 8.5 miles per hour, it's suitable for walking, jogging, or running. What makes it stand out is the auto incline feature that adjusts from 0% to 15% at the touch of a button, allowing you to simulate uphill workouts and burn more calories without stepping outdoors. It features a 42-inch by 16-inch wide running belt with a 5-layer anti-slip design and a triple cushion shock absorption system that includes 6 silicone pads and 6 built-in absorbers for maximum joint protection. The smart handrail integrates heart rate sensors, and its LED display tracks your time, speed, distance, heart rate, incline, and calories in real time. The treadmill supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and stability for most users. For those who love connected workouts, this treadmill syncs with fitness apps, offering scenic routes, challenges, and personalized training programs. With its one-touch folding mechanism and transport wheels, this treadmill is a space saver with high-end features, perfect for users who want a premium, connected treadmill for home use. Number 4. SuperRun Foldable Treadmill. This foldable treadmill earns its place as the most versatile choice on this list. It's a 4-in-1 treadmill built to adapt to your daily needs, whether you want to walk, jog, run, or even work. The treadmill includes a 3.0 HP motor that powers speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour, and it comes with a removable countertop, letting you use it as a walking workstation for multitasking days. This treadmill includes a 5% manual incline, which helps simulate uphill walking and increases calorie burn. It's ideal for users up to 300 pounds, catering to a wide range of fitness levels. The PitPat app integration brings fun to your workouts. You can track performance, compete with friends, and join online challenges, making exercise more engaging. When it comes to convenience, this treadmill excels. It folds flat and easily slides under a bed or stands against a wall, saving valuable space. The built-in transport wheels make it effortless to move around. Made with high-quality alloy steel, it's both sturdy and stylish, designed for long-lasting use. If you're looking for a treadmill that combines flexibility, practicality, and fun, this foldable treadmill is a great fit for home users who want a multi-purpose machine that fits seamlessly into small spaces. Number 3. Walking Pad. This stands out as the best treadmill for under-desk use or low-impact workouts. It's compact, minimal, and ultra-slim, ideal for those who want to stay active without dedicating a full room to a treadmill. Weighing just 50 pounds and only 4.1 inches high, it's incredibly easy to store under a bed, sofa, or desk. The innovative fold-in-half design reduces its size by 50%, making it one of the most space-efficient treadmills available. Despite its small size, this offers a 47-inch walking belt, providing ample space for natural strides and comfortable walking. It supports up to 242 pounds, suitable for most users. The treadmill operates at speeds from 1 to 4 miles per hour, perfect for walking while working or casual exercise sessions. Its brushless motor ensures a smooth, quiet, and durable performance, ideal for home offices where noise control matters. The low-profile deck offers better stability and safety, especially for beginners or those returning to exercise. It's a great entry-level choice for users who value simplicity, mobility, and functionality. Whether you're walking during meetings or getting steps in while watching TV, this is a smart, sleek, and modern solution for compact fitness needs. Number 2. UREVO Stroll 2. This is the best choice for users prioritizing portability and efficient storage. This treadmill blends performance with convenience. Weighing only 21.4 kilograms, yet offering solid power through its 2.25 HP motor and maximum speed of 6.2 miles per hour. It's perfect for both walking and light running, giving users flexibility to switch between two modes: folded walking mode for under-desk use and open running mode for a more intense workout. The UREVO Sport app lets you sync data and monitor your workout progress with detailed performance tracking. The treadmill's LED display shows speed, time, distance, steps, and calories, giving clear insights into your routine. Its one-key mute function ensures a quiet environment, ideal for home or office use. Comfort and safety are also top priorities. The 5-layer anti-slip belt, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 soft rubber pads provide cushioning for joints, reducing knee strain during longer sessions. The deck gives a stable and comfortable running surface, suitable for most users. When it's time to store, the treadmill folds flat in seconds, fitting easily under furniture. For users who want a compact, easy-to-store treadmill that delivers smooth, low-impact workouts, this is an excellent choice that balances performance and portability. Number 1. Toputure Walking Pad. At the top of the list, this earns the title of Best Overall Folding Treadmill thanks to its impressive blend of performance, features, and convenience. Powered by a 2.5 HP low-noise motor, it supports speeds up to 10 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, making it powerful enough for both walking and running workouts. What truly sets it apart is the 12% incline feature, a rare find in compact treadmills. It offers 1%, 6%, 12% incline options, allowing users to simulate mountain climbs and boost fat burning by up to 70%. The treadmill delivers a 4-in-1 experience, perfect for working, walking, climbing, and running. Its dual LED display provides real-time workout metrics, while the Bluetooth speakers let you enjoy music as you train. The heart rate monitor adds another layer of health tracking for complete fitness monitoring. The 41-inch by 16.5-inch running belt provides ample space, and the 8 shock-absorbing cushions protect your knees and joints. The no-assembly design makes it ready to use straight out of the box, while its foldable and wheeled design ensures easy mobility and compact storage. With app compatibility, multiple workout modes, and a 1-year warranty, this is a complete home treadmill solution, offering the best balance of performance, convenience, and durability for small spaces. Keeping up with your fitness goals doesn't have to take up all your space. These top 5 folding treadmills prove that you can get a solid workout even in the smallest apartments or home gyms. With compact designs, smart features, and powerful performance, they're perfect for anyone looking to stay active without the bulk. To get the best deals on all the treadmills featured in this video, make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fitness buddies, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.